Today I'm going to replace the front brake pads on my 2022 Toyota RAV4. I bought this brake pad kit on Amazon, and the set comes with 4 pads, which is enough for both front wheels. Replacing the front brake pads is actually pretty straightforward. The first step is to jack up the vehicle, remove the wheel, and then access the brake assembly. I won't go into too much detail about the installation process, but after lifting the car, I removed the lug nuts, took off the wheel, and started working on the brakes. My first impression of this Bosch brake pad kit was very positive. The kit includes all the necessary hardware, and everything fit perfectly without any issues. You just need to make sure you're installing the correct parts in the right position. After about 3 months of use, I have a few thoughts. One of the main reasons I chose this product is because Bosch is a well-known and trusted brand with a long history of manufacturing high-quality automotive parts. The price was also reasonable, so it seemed like a good choice. So far, I've been very happy with the performance. The braking feels smooth and responsive, and I haven't experienced any squeaking, grinding, or other annoying noises. The vehicle feels safe and confident on the road, and overall, the braking experience is much more refined than I expected for the price. This was my first time replacing brake pads by myself, and I'm glad to say it was a success. I saved a good amount of money compared to taking the vehicle to a repair shop, and I was able to choose the exact brake pads I wanted instead of settling for whatever the garage offered. Overall, I'm very satisfied with this Bosch brake pad kit and would definitely